Hi friends, welcome back for another video. Today's video it's very exciting because I have an unboxing. I bought a new Moterm. For those of you that already know or follow me on my social media, you know that I already have a pocket ring Moterm that I got last Christmas. I really loved it. I carry it with me on the go, and I decided to get a lighter color and just switch it around. So I ordered this one and it did not take very long to arrive, which was very exciting. I got it from AliExpress. After thinking about it for I don't know how long, I decided to purchase this. And give me a moment, this is hard to open up, right? Alright you guys, so I am so excited. It comes very fancy in a bag like this. I'm not an expert on Moterms, but I think this company has them for real leather. Don't quote me on that. I don't know, probably the pros know that better than I do, but it's so soft, you guys. It is very soft. I got the light gray color. I figure it will go with everything, and this also came in the pack, so I'm guessing it's just to put it here, I guess, like this. I don't know, I feel like it's upside down, right? I don't know. So yeah, this came along with my order. So I love this one. It's an 8/7, in case I haven't told you. It has a pen loop in the back. Oh wait, we have something here. This is their Facebook group. It comes in here. All right, so we have, let me start from the beginning. So I got it with the snap because I have the one with the elastic. I figure I would like this one a little better. I love that it has a zipper here, so I can use it as a wallet and also decorate it like with cute things, cute planner stuff. It does come with the tiny rings, but I bought the 30mm, and I'm just gonna switch them around. And we have a lot of pockets here, so we can just put the cards, and we have another big pocket here in the back. And one thing that I really love is this. I love this thing on the back because I can just put whatever I want, planner stickers, washi tape, all of that great stuff. How amazing is that? So I am really loving this. I'm going to set it up. I cannot wait to set it up. Actually, I've been learning how to do a lot of stuff online for my pocket rings. So when I'm done with that, I'll get back to you guys and I'll show you how everything looks like. Oh my god, this looks so cute. What? I still feel like this is upside down, like this should be on this side. I don't know. If you are more familiar with this than I am, let me know if I'm wrong. But anyways, I just wanted to show you all because this is like one of the happiest mails that I got all week. And I'm really excited because this is a gift from me to me because it is my birthday month. Alright you guys, thank you all for watching this video. Stay tuned for a pocket ring setup, and I will talk to you all soon on my next video. Bye!